Hey friends, if you wish to update the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I'll explain everything in this video, including what makes it different from the other adapter. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now you can go to Display Adapter. So one is the NVIDIA GeForce one. Okay, anyone which is in the second, or anyone which is from Nvidia, or the higher AMD ones will be the dedicated ones, and the first one is usually the basic adapter. So in my case, the basic adapter is good enough. It is an AMD Radeon one, but if you're using an Intel computer, it will be an integrated adapter. So in both the cases, the first one is the lower adapter. Simply right click on it and then select update and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.